The last time India had won a hockey medal at the Olympics was way back in 1980 when the country won its last gold. Now, a 41-year jinx has been broken. We saw India beat Germany to a score of 5-4. With this, the Indian contingent have registered their 5th medal at the Tokyo Olympics and overall the 12th Olympic medal won in men's field hockey by India at the Olympics.
Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai on Thursday asserted that there is no compromise on the Mekadatu project that the state wants to undertake across the river Kaveri and accused the neighbouring Tamil Nadu of opposing it for the sake of politics. Shares of India's Vodafone Idea tumbled as much as 24% on Thursday, a day after the troubled telecom operators board accepted billionaire industrialist Kumar Mangalam Birla's request to step down as non-executive chairman. Birla had engineered the merger of Idea Cellular, which was part of his Aditya Birla Group, and the India operations of Britain's Vodafone in 2018 to form Vodafone Idea, creating what was the country's largest telecom operator at that time. The Bombay High Court on Thursday asked the BMC to file an affidavit in the matter of door-to-door vaccination drive for bedridden people till next Wednesday. This drive was brought into effect after the High Court order in a petition filed by one lawyer, Dhruti Kapadia. The petitioner told the bench led by Chief Justice of Bombay High Court that there are some serious issues that need to be addressed at the earliest for smooth functioning of the door-to-door vaccination campaign and to make it reach all the needy people without any hassle. Delhi government on Wednesday slashed the maximum fixed price of RT-PCR tests carried out in private laboratories from Rs 800 to Rs 500 and reduced the cap of Rs 1,200 for home collection of samples to Rs 700. Maximum chargeable rate for rapid antigen tests at private laboratories has been fixed as Rs 300 while tests conducted at government establishments remain free. Delhi government drastically reduces corona test rates. This will help the common man, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal tweeted on Wednesday while sharing the order issued by the government's Health and Family Welfare Department. The Indian government has asked state authorities to impose restrictions ahead of festivals across the country, warning that overcrowding could lead to super spreader events and a new surge in infections. The Indian Council for Medical Research have expressed concern regarding the potential of mass gathering events during festivals turning into super spreader events, thereby leading to a spike in COVID cases. Federal Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan said in a letter to state governments released late on Wednesday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi slammed opposition members for tearing papers in Parliament and making derogatory remarks on the ways bills have been passed as he accused them of insulting the legislator and the constitution with their conduct. Briefing reporters on Modi's speech at the BJP Parliamentary Party meeting, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi said the Prime Minister expressed anger at the conduct of some opposition members, while a TMC member in Rajya Sabha had toned the statement of IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav on the Pegasus issue. Several opposition members had torn papers in Lok Sabha and threw it in the air and towards the chair. The Afghan Air Force carried out more airstrikes against Taliban positions in southern Afghanistan on Thursday as the insurgent force made additional gains in the country's north. A Defense Ministry statement said airstrikes were carried out across the country, including in the southern Helmand province, where the provincial capital of Lashkargah is being fiercely contested. The Taliban control of 9 of the city's 10 police districts. Hardline cleric Ibrahim Raisi will be sworn in as Iran's president on Thursday, with the Islamic Republic's clerical rulers face growing crisis at home and abroad. Iranian television said Raisi would be inaugurated later on Thursday, 2 days after winning the formal endorsement of the country's supreme leader to take office following his victory in an election in June. Raisi, who is under US sanctions over allegations of human rights abuses when he was a judge, has promised to take steps to lift tough US sanctions that have cut Iran's oil exports and have shut it out of the international banking system. Greek authorities ordered more evacuations on an island near Athens on Thursday and battled a blaze near the site of the ancient Olympic Games in the western Peloponnese as wildfires burned for a third day.